Alright, you guys, welcome back to Monster Live Tutorial. Today I have this brand new Spin Master Monster Jam 124 scale White Blue Thunder. The reason why I got it because I didn't know my Gravedigger primer body like really loose, but I finally fixed it. I thought it was broken, but no. But I got this one. Spin Master sent me this one, Monster Jam Blue Thunder, guys. It's from last year. There's a back. I want these two, but I doubt I'm gonna find these. I already have this one. I just need these two for the collection. Blue Thunder, guys. Road Trucks for Action Monster Jam. Pretty cool. Yeah, pretty nice. Now I gotta get these things off now. I'm just gonna do it on raw video if I can. I want to cut the suspension though. Okay, there's that one. Okay. I don't want to bore you guys with the opening. Just do it like that. Yes, please hold. This one's kind of hard to do. Okay, guys, so I got the rubber band off. Okay, box, we don't need that. Ooh, okay, guys, Blue Thunder, white tires, dark rims and beadlocks. There's diecast body, Blue Thunder. Monsterjam.com, headlight printing, grill printing, Blue Thunder in white. It looks nice in white, Monster Jam. Feel the energy with the taillight printing. Dark blue roll cage. It's kind of broken there. It's fine. As long as I don't put pressure on it. Sponsor stickers and the gray motor insert at bottom of the chassis. So without further ado, guys, I have a Hot Wheels monster truck left right now. I'll unbox it right now. Peace out.